as the road may seem, I'll follow where your spirit leads. Broken as my life may be, I will give you every piece. I hear you call, I am available. I say, yes, Lord, I am available. Here I am with open hands, counting on your grace again. Less of me and more of you. I just wanna see you move. And I hear you call, I am available. I say, yes, Lord, I am available. I hear you call, I am available. I say, yes, Lord, I am available. Here I am, here I am. You can have it all, you can have it all. Here I am, here I am. You can have it all, you can have it all. Here I am, here I am. You can have it all, you can have it all. Here I am, here I am. You can have it all, you can have it all. For the one who gave me life, nothing is a sacrifice. Oh, use me how you want to, God. Have your throne within my heart. And I hear you call, I am available. I say, yes, Lord, I am available. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that cover of Available by Elevation Worship. If you saw me using some chords in this cover that you didn't recognize, that's probably because those were advanced guitar chords. If you want to learn some of those advanced guitar chords, I've got you covered. There's a link down in the description below to a free PDF I put together called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords, where I will show you some of the chords that I used in this song. You can see the chord chart, you can learn them for yourselves and incorporate them into your own playing. Other than that, thanks so much for joining me today. Until I see you in the next video, keep leading worship well.